I've never had anything with Bloody Mary, so I'm going to use it in a recipe. Let me taste it to kind of see what we're working with here. What a way for your first time. We're going to make some garlic Bloody Mary chicken wings. Let's get it. Let me taste it to kind of see. Okay. So tasting the Bloody Mary, I think it's going to pair really well with the Tropical Zinger. I feel like it'll also go pretty good with the Blaxiken, but I'm going to try the Tropical Zinger today. Stay tuned. And we're going to save a couple cups because I am going to make a sauce. All right. That's about 2 cups. I'm just going to cover these with the rest of the Bloody Mary mix. That's kind of delicious. I wonder why I hadn't tried. You know why I haven't tried Bloody Mary is I do not love tomato-y. Like, I don't love a bunch of tomato like sauce. I'll eat tomatoes. Worcestershire. A little bit of seasoning for the marinade. We are gonna season it after we let this marinate for about 2 hours. Ooh. I'm just gonna crush the garlic. We just want to get some of that garlic flavor all through these wings. These are whole wings and I cut them into party wings. Give the marinade a little bit more surface area to get some flavor actually into the wings. Juice from 1 lime. A little bit of pickle juice. That's about a 1/4 cup. So we get these all coated with this mixture. This would work really well in like a Ziploc bag or a vacuum seal, I meant. Now what we're going to do when we come back, we are going to remove these from the marinade. We're going to pat them dry and then we're going to season with the Tropical Zinger just for that top layer of flavor. And we're going to cook them up on the grill. You don't want to miss that. So now we're going to use the Bloody Mary mix that we saved and we're going to make a sauce. What I'm going for with this sauce is not super sweet. We just want a hint of sweet, but we want that tang, that depth from the Bloody Mary sauce to really come through in the sauce. So we're going to see how we can do that. About 3 tablespoons of my homemade garlic paste. Got a little bit of olive oil. So we got the garlic paste. Smells good. Then we're gonna hit this with about a quarter cup of 3 Olives vodka. That Bloody Mary mix. Remember, that's about 2 cups. All the juice from that citrus. We need some ketchup. I'm going to say about a half a cup. Splash of pickle juice. Now remember, I'm not going for super sweet, so I'm going to use 2 dates and some agave syrup. I'm going to give it about a half a cup of the agave syrup. So we're going to let that reduce, and we're going to see what happens. We're going to let it reduce by a third. So I'm going to taste the sauce. So I'm tasting a little bit of the bitterness from the citrus. I think I'm actually going to have to add a little bit of sugar to balance that out. A little bit of brown sugar. I think that should give it the little bit of roundness that I'm looking for. Okay. So this sauce is right now where it's at. It's good. I do not want it too thick because I want it to be more of a glaze than a thick sauce. So we're gonna blend this up. You guys are gonna see the rest of the cook. Bloody Mary wings, we have sauce, no sauce. So these were marinated in the Bloody Mary mix from Bear and Burton's. And then we used some of that to make a sauce, using the Tropical Zinger for seasoning as well. You can see how that sauce is holding on to the wings. Really good, right? Okay. Might be onto something. Check us out.